Sal's garage. Today I'm going to be installing these side markers. These are LED side markers for the E92 or E93 M3, and they go onto the side gill, and it's basically sequential, so you'll see a sequential light every time you use your turn signals. So I'm going to show you guys how to install these. I think it will look pretty cool and modern. Let's give it a shot. So we're going to try using packing tape. Packing tape is pretty sticky. We're going to try to just make a handle out of the packing tape. So tape both ends nice and steady, and then make a little twist like that. And try to get it on nice and tight there. Got it. Okay, so you gotta yank pretty hard to get this thing out. Luckily these clips are very strong and they don't break too easily. Okay, I pulled it out, so it's right here, this little tab. Just pull down and then pull the wire out. Tape this wire so it doesn't go back in there. Otherwise, good luck trying to get that back out. Oh, that one came out easy. Okay. Now we can go inside because it's cold. So it's a T25 bolt. Remove this, and then we should be able to take this out now. The light bulb. Let's see. Pull. Oh, there we go. Finally. Okay, so this is the old bulb. This is a clear bulb that's, I believe it's a halogen, or it's not an LED, so it's not as bright or cool looking. We're going to be replacing it with the sequential one, which is right over here. This is a smoked color. As you can see the difference, it'll look much better, I think. Or line up this hole with that hole right there, and then you're going to put the screw back on. Okay, both sides are locked. There we go. So that's in on both sides here. And that's the finished product right there. Already looks a lot better because it's a smoked bulb. And before I even snap this back into the car, I'm just gonna make sure that it works because I don't want to have to remove it again. So here is your comparison. This is the OEM one up top, and this is the newer and improved one on the bottom. So I'm gonna do the same thing over here real quick. Okay, so I have got both on. Now it's time to snap these onto the car, but before I do that, I'm gonna double check and make sure that they work. And look at that. It actually works. Man, that looks pretty dang cool and modern. I like it. Plus, the smoked effect looks really nice. So, in order to put this back on, all you have to do is just route the wires in and then set the... Oh, this is actually backwards. The wrong side. Sorry, I gotta change this. So, all I'm gonna do is lead the wires back in nice and steady, and then find the holes for your teeth. 1, 2, 3. So actually that just snapped in nice and easy. All done. Let's show it again. With the smoked bulb, it looks a lot cleaner. I really like this look compared to the clear lens. And with the sequential LEDs, it just adds that extra bit of modern taste. So, for my pre-LCI, I really think this is a great must-have mod, along with the LED turn signals on the front and LED turn signals in the rear. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good evening.